Hi friends, welcome to this pre-market analysis of Nifty. So the biggest news today, the biggest news yesterday was that Mohsin Razai has been appointed the secretary of the military council in Iran. So who is Mohsin Razai and why is this important? Mohsin Razai is believed to be a hardliner. He is infamous within the Iranian military circles for his very ambitious or over-ambitious military overtures. In the past, he has a lookout notice and a red alert to his name. I'm not sure if it's actually called red alert, but yeah, he has a red notice. If I'm getting it right, to his name by Interpol, and this was requested by Argentina with regards to a bombing that happens in Buenos Aires sometime back in time. So apparently a very infamous person. So he is now in power. He calls the shots with regards to the Iranian military operations. And he is pitched against Donald Trump now. So two madmen against each other. That's the picture that's painted in the news, and that is not good for the oil prices or the Strait of Hormuz. So let's see how it reacts. So my analysis yesterday was that the oil prices did go up much, and then Nifty held up, and that's why my analysis was it was positive. So if we just go back to the oil price now, so this is the oil price daily candle, and it has gone up further. So it has gone up, it did go up quite a bit further, and today Nifty has reacted as it should have, by being negative. So let's see where it goes. Strictly on a structural analysis, if you take a look, this is Nifty on a daily candle, then this is the level Nifty should retest, that is 24,337, and then it should consolidate or fly up. Well, I have been bullish for a long time, so that could be my bias speaking. Let's just get rid of all this analysis from yesterday and start afresh with the monthly time frame. On a monthly time frame, Nifty is bullish. Why is it bullish? This is a swing low and this is a higher low. Higher low is equal to bullish. There are two important levels to look out for, that is support and resistance. So this is the range of Nifty where Nifty is supposed to trade in between for this month, 26,310 and 24,471. I know it's a large range, but it's a monthly candle, and in a month Nifty can look at this candle from where to where did Nifty go. So monthly candles can be brutal. Now going over to the weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, Nifty does not have a bias. It's not sure because no lower highs or higher lows formed. On the daily time frame, on a daily time frame is where things are interesting. Nifty is bullish. This low is still protected. Today's downfall did not take this low, so therefore it is bullish. And if Nifty decides to take a turn and go up, then this is the support. This is the target for Nifty. That's 25,550. Let me just explain why is that a support. You see these two candles here. These two candles from February of 2026. These are two green candles, and that after these two green candles is where the huge fall came. So this is an order block where smart money took orders from the retail investors, retail traders, and took their stop loss. So this is basically a smart money order block, and then I have taken the midpoint of the from the lower side of the body of this candle to the upper side of the body of this candle, and then made a line between there. So that's the mean trading price of that order block. So that is how I reached 25,550. And okay, so that is that. And going over to the 4-hour time frame. On a 4-hour time frame, Nifty is bearish. There are lower highs formed, and on a 1-hour time frame, Also, the indicator says not sure, but there's some error in the indicator. The actual bias is not sure. You see, there is this high and then this high, so that's a lower high formation. Therefore, that is bearish too. Well, mixed signals on the biases. We just have to see where it opens tomorrow, and then we take it forward from there. That is it from my side. I'm not a certified analyst. Thank you.